Let's get an update on that weather situation with Chevy Chevalier. Got to hold on to your hats, Chevy. It's a windy one.
A little bit. Hold on to everything and tie everything down in the yard, whatever you got to do. It's going to be another windy day. I'd say yesterday and today combined are the peak of this whole event that started, I think, a few days ago and goes, I would say, all the way until Monday or into Tuesday. Mid-80s, we still have some showers across the area, across the state. The camera isn't bouncing right now. The winds are down to 15, which is actually really good. It was about 25 about an hour and a half ago. So you can see easterly winds here. That's a little better as far as the rain showers go because it helps to keep a few of them anyway from coming to the leeward side. But we still have leeward showers for wet community. This morning, high wind warning. Now, that's different than yesterday. They issued this yesterday afternoon. Northern portions of the Big Island and for most of Oahu. And those areas will go with everybody else once the warning expires at 6 p.m. And that advisory has been extended until 6 a.m. Tomorrow. So we had a 48-mile-per-hour gust for Honolulu, and Lihue had a 41-mile-per-hour gust. So windy conditions, they go down a bit, but you hear people saying it's not going to be windy this weekend. It still is, I think, all the way through Monday or Tuesday.